guys, in today's video we're going to create a dollar doll scene, and this scene you can pick up at Dollar Tree. It's called Create a Town. They have so many different scenes that you can pick from. I decided to go with the sweet shop because who doesn't love sweet stuff? So inside you do get a lot of stuff to decorate with. You get your stickers, which comes with super awesome little sweets and decor to put out however you like. I thought this would be great for LOL surprise dolls, LPS, or any minifigures to do a cute little skit for your dolls. And you do get 2 whole sheets of stickers, so I'm sure you'll have a lot left over. Here is our scene. I think it's super cool, and I can't wait to decorate it with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started.
Treats? I can't wait to eat all of these. Yummy!
Okay guys, so as you can see, you can use your LOLs to have a lot of fun with this scene or any other little mini dolls. But if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up so I know. And don't forget to please subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of fun around here. And I'll see you guys very soon. Have a good day. Bye guys!